Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you tired of visitors dropping off before they convert? In this video, we're going to show you how to create a user-friendly funnel that converts at every step using GoHighLevel. The first tip is simplicity. A clean, uncluttered design allows visitors to focus on your message. Avoid unnecessary distractions. Keep your fonts easy to read, your visuals impactful, and your colors aligned with your brand. Next, make sure your funnel is mobile-friendly. Over half of users browse on mobile devices, so ensure your pages load quickly and are easy to navigate with just a few taps. If your funnel frustrates mobile users, you're leaving money on the table. Consistency is key. From your landing page to the checkout process, keep the design cohesive. Use the same fonts, colors, and tone throughout every step. This builds trust and keeps users engaged. Guide your users with clear navigation. Incorporate easy-to-find buttons, breadcrumbs, and progress bars. This lets your audience know exactly where they are in the process and how many steps they have left. The less confusion, the better. Lastly, optimize your forms. Ask only for essential information and use smart forms that autofill or save data to reduce friction. Ready to streamline your funnel and increase conversions? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and start optimizing with automated follow-ups today. Be sure to schedule your kickoff call for a smooth onboarding experience. The links are in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our updates. Thanks for watching.